It's a great idea to start investing as soon as you start earning a paycheck, whether to save for your retirement or to earn, say, a little bit of extra income. Everyone knows the value of investing, but how do you get started with it? For those who are just entering the world of finance, investing can seem a little scary. When you're just starting out, it is important for you to have a basic understanding of investing and what are the different options that are available to you. Hi, I'm Namita. Welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel, and today we have got you 3 best books on stock markets and investments for those who are just beginning to invest. When you look on the internet, there are many blogs and videos that will recommend to read up The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham as one of the best books on investment. But these books are advanced for a beginner. So we have picked 3 best books for you based on 3 criteria, that is easy to read, easy to understand, and lastly, the authors of these books are renowned investors themselves. First is Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. The cult classic Rich Dad, Poor Dad is one of the best books for young investors and for those who are interested in real estate. The book focuses on the life lessons the author learned from his 2 fathers, which is the poor father, which is his own father, and the rich father, his best friend's father. Both the poor father and rich father has a very different thought perspectives towards money and investing. Robert's poor father was of the view that the only way to earn more money is to have a stable and high-paying job. This earned money will help you in your daily expenses and will help you to save for your retirement. While on the other hand, author's rich father was of the view that the role of the money is to buy assets. Invest in those assets that will earn you more money. In the book, the author has also differentiated between assets and liabilities from the viewpoint of rich and poor father. As per the rich father, assets are those that brings money into your pocket, whereas liabilities are those that take money away from your pocket. For example, say suppose you're buying a house for which you're paying an EMI. For the poor father, the house is a liability because you're paying money for something, whereas for the rich father, the house is an asset. Say suppose you keep that house, give that house for a rent, then you're getting money out of that rent. That is your assets. The book highlights the importance of having a rich mindset, having financial knowledge, making investments that generates cash flow, and lastly, setting a goal for yourself to achieve financial freedom. Overall, the book teaches you that instead of working for money, make money work for you. Second is Learn to Earn by Peter Lynch. Peter Lynch is considered as one of the best performing mutual fund manager in the world. Between 1977 and 1990, his Magellan fund had generated 29% annualized return. So in his book, the author has advised the first-time investors to begin investing as soon as possible and not to wait for a particular time or a particular age. In the book, the author also advises to invest in stocks rather than investing in bonds because stock markets perform better than bonds for long-term period. Learn to Earn is purely for those who is beginning to invest. However, if you are among those who already have a basic idea about investing or are investing in mutual funds or stocks, then you should read up Peter Lynch's One Up on Wall Street, which is an advanced book. Third is The Dhandho Investor by Monish Pabrai. The Dhandho Investor is yet another most readable and best books on stock markets for beginners. Dhandho means business, but as per Monish Pabrai, this is a way of doing business where you have a lot of upside with little or non-existing downside. Basically, the book teaches you that you should have or you should identify low-risk businesses. The book revolves around 5 principles when you start investing. First is buy at deep discounts, that is buy at very valuable price. Second is control your cost of operation, cut down as much as possible and don't invest unnecessarily. Third is identify businesses with high competitive advantages. That is, when you go looking for investing in say any business or companies, then make sure you look at the business's competitive advantages because the higher the competitive advantages, the more value the business is. Fourth is when odds are in your favor, then bet big. That is, don't play safe when you know you're going to win. Lastly, invest in scenarios that where heads, I win, and if tails, I don't lose much. That is, invest in such companies or businesses where if you win a lot of profit, and if you lose, you don't lose much. So these are the 3 best books that you can read up so that you can choose the smartest path for your financial future. If you are a person who is not into reading and still want to learn about investing, then we have got you back. We have a full-fledged courses on how to invest in say mutual funds, stock markets, IPO, or if you want to learn about personal finance, business, agriculture courses, career building courses, then please download the Financial Freedom app right now. If you think this video is going to help someone, then do like and share it. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post the next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com. Be wise and get rich.